Hello, this is Wyatt Davidson, Digital Product Specialist at Riesterer Schnell. And today I would like to talk to you guys about Equipment Mobile. Equipment Mobile is a mobile-friendly application designed for your smartphone. It links to your existing John Deere Operations Center account, or if you're a new user to John Deere equipment, simply create a new account and scan your new piece of equipment or implement into your Equipment Mobile with a mobile-friendly barcode scan tool. Having the accessibility of all your equipment in one place and the convenience to look at that equipment at any given time on your phone allows you guys to adjust to the fast-paced world of ever-changing situations there. Equipment Mobile gives you guys the ability to view maintenance plans and track maintenance records of your equipment, view and order parts diagrams available for your selected piece of equipment or implement, gives you a nice tool of compatible implements that would fit your guys' current tractors. It also allows you guys to look up DTCs, Diagnostic Trouble Codes, and figure out what those are so you can provide the correct information with the correct serial number of your machine to your local Riesterer Schnell dealership. On top of that, it gives help and tip articles, and we can remotely send controller updates through the mobile app to compatible machines. So having that accessibility and the convenience to have all your equipment or your whole fleet tracked under one mobile app that ties into your existing Operations Center account. We use this for setup, ordering, and optimizing your equipment. To download the Equipment Mobile app and start taking advantage of your fleet and managing it, please utilize your phone's app store, and we'll also link a description below.